Hello, my friend. Welcome back to your English journey. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. This story is special because it's about you, your life, your habits, your routine. We will learn how to talk about your day in English, from morning to night, step by step, slowly and calmly. You don't need to worry. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen, repeat, and feel comfortable. This is your time. Take a deep breath, smile softly, and let's begin this new day together. Every day is a new chance. A new sunrise, a new start. Let's imagine it's morning. The light comes into your room. You open your eyes slowly. You stretch your arms. You take a deep breath. You smile because it's a new day. You whisper to yourself, "Good morning, world. I'm ready." You sit up, put your feet on the floor, and feel the ground. It's calm, it's simple, it's the beginning. Now you start your morning. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face with cold water. It wakes you up. You brush your teeth slowly, thinking about your plans. You look in the mirror and say, "Today will be a good day." You feel fresh. You take a shower, warm and relaxing. You let the water touch your face and you breathe deeply. After your shower, you dry your hair, comb it gently, and put on clean, comfortable clothes. Maybe jeans, maybe a t-shirt, maybe something cozy. Then you go to the kitchen. You turn on the light. You make breakfast. You cut some fruit, maybe an apple or a banana. You make tea or coffee. The smell fills the room. You take your cup and sit by the window. You watch the morning sky, soft and quiet. You take a sip and smile. You feel peaceful. While you eat, you can listen to English. Maybe you listen to a short story, maybe you repeat a few sentences. You practice shadowing, whispering the words with me. It's calm. It's simple. It's your small habit. After breakfast, you check your phone. You read your messages, your calendar, your plans. You pack your bag, your phone, your keys, your notebook. You put on your shoes and open the door. The air outside is fresh. The world is waiting. You start your day. Now it's time for the afternoon. The sun is high, people are busy, the day is moving fast. You go to work or to school. You sit at your desk. You open your laptop. You check your emails. You write messages. You read notes. You talk with your friends or colleagues. Maybe you have a meeting, maybe a class. You focus. You do your best. Sometimes you feel busy. Sometimes you feel tired. But you keep going, step by step. At lunchtime, you take a break. You eat something light, maybe rice, salad, or soup. You drink water or tea. You take a deep breath. You stretch your shoulders. You look around. You smile at someone. You feel thankful. You think, "I'm learning, I'm working, I'm growing." After lunch, you return to your tasks. You read, you write, you learn. You do small things with care. You don't need to rush. You just need to continue. In the afternoon, your energy may go down. You feel a little sleepy. That's okay. You take a short walk. You breathe fresh air. You listen to English on your headphones. You hear calm words. You repeat softly. You don't force. You just flow. Shadowing becomes your small moment of peace. Even 5 minutes is enough. You smile because you know these small moments build your future. Time passes. The sky changes color. The light becomes golden. It's evening now. The world slows down. You finish your work. You close your laptop. You organize your things. You say goodbye to your friends. You walk home or take the bus. The city feels quiet. The air is cooler. You think about your day. You say to yourself, I did my best today. You feel proud. When you arrive home, you take off your shoes. You sit down for a few minutes. You rest. You drink water. You take a deep breath. You feel safe. You turn on the light in your kitchen. You cook dinner, something simple, something warm. Maybe vegetables, maybe pasta. The smell of food fills the room. You set the table. You eat slowly. You enjoy every bite. You don't rush. You think about your day, the good parts, the hard parts, the small wins. You say, I'm grateful. After dinner, you clean the dishes. You wipe the table. You make your home calm again. Then you move to your room. You sit with your notebook. Maybe you write a few sentences in English. You write, today I woke up at 7. I worked. I learned. I listened to English. I ate dinner. I feel good. You look at the words and smile. You see your progress, then you relax. You sit on the sofa. You play soft music. You read a book or watch a calm video. Maybe you listen to another English story. You let the words enter your mind like gentle rain. You repeat a few sentences. You feel peaceful. Before bed, you go to the bathroom again. You brush your teeth. You wash your face. You look in the mirror and say, good job, today. I'm proud of you. You turn off the lights. You go to your bed. The room is quiet. You lie down. You take a deep breath. You think about tomorrow. You whisper, tomorrow I will try again. I will learn. I will grow. And slowly, you close your eyes and fall asleep. That is a simple, beautiful day. And now you know how to talk about it in English. You don't need to use difficult words. You don't need to make it complicated. Just speak about what you do, from morning to night. Use clear sentences. Use your voice. You can say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I study. I come home. I cook dinner. I relax. I go to bed. Simple words, real actions. These sentences are your life. They are your practice. When you talk about your day, you practice grammar naturally. You use the present simple tense. You repeat the same structure again and again. You build your memory. You learn the rhythm of English. You start thinking in English. You don't need to translate. You just speak. You can make this your daily habit. Every morning, you can say, today I will. Every evening, you can say, today I did. These are your small moments of growth. You don't need a big plan. You just need 5 minutes. Speak out loud. Whisper if you want. Repeat the sentences. Let them become part of you. At first, it may feel strange. Maybe your tongue is slow. Maybe you forget a word. But don't worry. With practice, it becomes natural. You will see, after 1 week, your sentences flow easier. After 1 month, you can tell full stories. After 3 months, you will speak with confidence. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. Every word you speak is a step forward. Every mistake is a lesson. Every sentence is a seed in your English garden. You are planting them one by one. And one day, your garden will be full of words, full of color, full of confidence. Talking about your day is not only learning English. It's also self-reflection. It helps you see your life clearly. You notice your habits, your feelings, your growth. You become more aware. You become more calm. So my friend, start today. Speak about your day. Speak about your morning, your afternoon, your evening. Use simple words. Smile. You are learning. You are improving. You are doing something beautiful. Now take a deep breath with me. Inhale peace, exhale worry. Feel proud of yourself. You gave time to your dream. You listened. You practiced. You grew. This is your journey. You are the writer of your story. You can say it, you can live it, you can share it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening with your heart. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. You are doing great. You can talk about your day in English. You can speak, you can express, you can shine. Until next time, remember, every small step matters, every word matters, and you matter. See you soon, my friend.